I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with sprinkles. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, ripe strawberries, your preferred melting chocolate, and a variety of colorful sprinkles. It's important to wash and completely dry each strawberry. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or wax paper, which will provide a non-stick surface for your finished treats. Next, let's melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle, even melt, or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Be careful not to overheat the chocolate as it can seize and become clumpy. Aim for a smooth, pourable consistency that's easy to work with. This ensures a beautiful, even coating on your strawberries. Now for the fun part, dipping and decorating. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat. Lift the strawberry and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. While the chocolate is still warm and wet, generously sprinkle your chosen decorations over the coated berry. Work quickly to ensure the sprinkles adhere well. Once decorated, carefully place each chocolate-covered strawberry onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. To allow the chocolate to fully set and harden, refrigerate the strawberries for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This step is crucial for a firm, non-messy treat. Once chilled, your beautiful and delicious chocolate-covered strawberries with sprinkles are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.